Ready, action, camera, take one. Okay, I'm now a cameraman, can you dig it? I'm gonna go to the other side of the bike and keep an eye on the shifting mechanism, okay? So this way we can record it. And I'm gonna go through all the 5 gears in neutral and see what the heck we do have, all right? We'll do it a couple times and see how it's cool, what it looks like. I don't think we actually have this box, but who knows? Get it all the way down. How's that looking? Oh my God, I can imagine what this looks like. Anyway, that's first gear. That should be neutral right in there. And there's my play in neutral. And there's third gear, okay? And no one play in third gear, second gear, excuse me. And that's third gear, fourth and fifth. And I can't go any further than fifth. I'm going to go down to fifth, fourth, and I'm going to fourth to third, and third to second, second to neutral, neutral. And we're going to first. Anyway, that's our recording right there of the linkage. And as I got a feeling when I review this with you, I don't think we're going to find any big problems. That's what you can call clean oil. I think part of the problem, this is the old basket, the original basket, is that amount of play that's in there. And you should never have that kind of play, when you're placing in there, there's like bead bearings or whatever that are in there, and then they lock in along with centers of the drive gear. So if we have this kind of latitude in what we're doing, whatever else is going on in the drivetrain at this point, could be going on in the drivetrain. Normally I don't know yet, but on the other hand, I do know that you can't afford to have this either. So I'll pull this one out and put the new one in, or let's say the replacement in, that's supposed to be sort of new, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so here's the original guy, and look at the amount of play we got going on in here. Okay, see that amount of travel? Anyway, that's a lot of play and what have you that you got going on in this thing. And then I'll also say reflect everywhere else in the play clutch. Over here, don't have any of that at all, okay? None at all. And we do have that type play right here. So this is the old, this is the one we're gonna put in new, and sort of new, and we're gonna see how this thing works, okay? I'm gonna go back into the doll baby once more again, and I wanna get into the shifting mechanism and find that bolt that felt a little loose, and find out why it feels loose and why it's not tight against the drum. A little awkward, but on the other hand, I wanted to show that yes, I made connections. If you look at the wheel, and then we rotate the wheel, and you look at over here, we have over here, she's in gear currently right now. Turns out the problem was, again, the shifter drum down here. This bolt actually was loose. So now it is time to, if you will, put Beauty back together again. Well, good morning. It's now Saturday, and it's now time to put the oil back into Beauty and start testing her transmission, as I expect she should start working at this point. And if so, I should have her out today for a ride as well. Stay tuned, we'll see. Well, a very super positive sign is she found neutral. I don't have to hold the clutch in order to try to start her. Now she's just warming up for starting, if you will. She's not going to start yet. As you see, oh, she didn't want to start. Anyway, the idea is that I don't have to hold that clutch in, which means she knows where neutral is at this point, which means her gears are going to be shifting. And I think I will be around here today, but not too doggone hot out. It is. That's what we can do today, but at least we know Beauty will be feeling a lot better. Anyway, Beauty seems to look cool. Oh, if you want to get going, it's a hot day, Don. We got to take you out first. Okay, I want to look at that transmission more. I'll get you off that center stand very shortly, okay? You be patient, darling, and get you going, okay? You're looking great. You're looking great. You're looking great. I love you. first gear looks like it's working, your neutral looks like it's working, so I gather the other guys will be working too. And today's gonna be a very hot day, but tomorrow top is 78, so we'll go out biking tomorrow morning early. I know you can climb hills and things like that, take you out and push the paces, okay? Congratulations, finally you're coming back to life.